Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince from Ghana. Today's episode of my video is I am coming to teach one guy how to drive. Yeah, so I'm going to allow him to introduce himself so that we get we pick it up from there. Yeah, so anyway, hello.
Hello guys, my name is Julius Alagba.
Okay.
So currently we are here in the learning process.
Yeah, so Julius, where are you from?
From Nigeria.
Oh, okay, so today we are going to learn, or I'm going to teach you how to drive. So what we're going to do is, I know I've been doing this with you for some time now, but today I decided to make a video on it so that we can show it to people out there.
No problem.
Okay, so actually we are using Hyundai Accent, yeah, for the driving. Yeah, so we are going to take you through, and yeah, you're going to see what's going on. Okay, so let's go.
All right.
Yeah. So as you can see, we've started doing something. Yeah. So keep turning. Then straighten your hands. Yeah, bring it back. Straight your hand. Yeah. So you take left, or let's go right. Yeah. Left. Okay, so let's go. Yeah. Whatever you're going to say is going to come into the video. Yeah. So guys, as you can see, Julius is here and he's behind the steering. Yeah, so I'm going to take him through to teach him how to drive. Yeah, we've been doing this for some time now, and it's just that he needs small daily lesson to become perfect. Yeah, you know, practice makes man perfect. Yeah. So make sure you dodge. Yeah. Slowly. Just release the brake. Release it. Keep turning. Okay, so guys,
Come with us. Let's enjoy.
Okay, so this place actually people come here to train, yeah, exercise, biking, yeah, and some come here to learn driving, yeah. So actually I came here with Julius to teach him driving. Yeah, as you can see, Julius is the one driving now. Yeah. Julius is the one driving now, and he's doing extremely well. Yeah, I hope he does the same on the roadside. Yeah, he entered bush. Yes. Like how you saw the car. You just remove your leg on the accelerator, then you put it on the brake. But you won't step on it. You step on it when you think the car in front of you is not moving. Then you keep stepping on it slowly. Not too much. Then when you get closer to the object or the car, you step it at once. Yeah. So slowly. You check your potholes and stuff. So as you see, Julius driving like this. Yeah, we've been doing this for almost a week now, so he's good. Yeah, he's good actually. Yeah, so he just need a little confidence. Yeah, a little confidence to maneuver on the road. Yeah, but over here he's very good. He's very good actually. turn your steering slowly. This car coming.
No.
Yeah. There's one coming in front of you, so just turn it slowly and bypassing. Oh, it's okay. Go ahead. Next one. Keep going. You're off your road. The bus is coming here, so take your lane. Okay, it's turning around, so but take your lane. And show your navigator. Keep going. Just remove your leg on the brake. Slowly. It has given you way because the bus is turning, so keep going. Don't worry, you can go. No, it's okay. It's okay because they are even closer to you. Let them pass. Just release the brake slowly. Yeah, keep going. Now start turning your steering. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Start turning. Do the turning. Now straighten your hand. It's okay. Go. So Julius needs some confidence to start driving on the road. Yeah. Start driving on the main road and stuff. So for now, he's still learning over here. Yeah. When he becomes perfect, he's going to step on the road. Though he has been stepping on the road, but he still needs that confidence. As I'm saying, yeah, he still needs that confidence.
Wow, it's not easy.
You check the children.
Yeah.
And the guy coming.
Give him way, let them pass. Enter.
Okay, so as you can see, Julius is behind the steering, yeah, the wheels. So to make the driving interesting and stuff, I'm going to ask him one or two questions. Then we bring it to the end of the day, yeah. So anyway, Julius, right?
Yeah, Julius.
Yeah, Julius. Can you tell us more about you? Yeah, a little bit intro about you.
Well, like I said before, my name is Julius Alagba. I'm from Nigeria.
Oh, okay.
And actually, in Nigeria we have so many tribes.
Oh, okay.
But the major tribe in Nigeria that we know, the Hausas, the Yorubas, and the Igbos. So apart from I'm from South, which is the Niger Delta.
Okay.
I'm I'm an Urobo by tribe. Yeah. You know, actually in Niger Delta we have so many tribes also. So Urobo is a tribe in Delta State. So if you want to find the Urobos, you go to places like Warri. But currently, right now, we are agitating of our own city because Warri is not the main city. So, but precisely, we are still bearing Warri. So that's all.
Okay, nice one. What are you doing in the Philippines? What brought you to the Philippines?
I'm a student, of course.
Okay.
You know, I came to Philippines 2013.
Yeah.
I studied marine transportation, which is generally known as nautical science.
Nice one.
So 3 years. I went back to Nigeria. I traveled to Egypt. I stayed in Egypt for like a year.
Okay.
Let me say 2 years.
You're going off.
Precisely 2 years.
Just coming to
in Egypt. So before I later came back to Philippines. Currently I'm doing a master business administration.
Oh, okay.
That's what I'm doing. So precisely maybe next year, I think I will graduate next year. Yeah, because of the COVID-19, I would have graduated this year because of some setback. So I decided to skip some semester. But precisely next year I will graduate.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I think this is my 3rd semester, I think so.
Oh, okay. Nice one. So you came to the Philippines around 2013. Wow. How was it around 2013? How was the Philippines?
Philippines in 2013 is still okay. Still okay. But mainly, I did not move around that period of time because I was in Patangas here.
You keep going.
I was in Patangas, so I did not really move around. The only place I really visited the Philippines then was Manila, Laguna, Las Piñas, something. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then I don't really know much about Philippines then because I did not really explore Philippines.
Oh, okay. So, who recommended Philippines to you to come and study here?
Actually, it's not really a recommendation because we took an exam.
Oh, okay.
During that time, the Nigeria Maritime Administration, which is NIMASA, they were organizing a program. Called NSDP. So I was fortunate enough to be among the cadets sent to Philippines that 2013.
Oh, okay. So that means it was a scholarship.
Yeah, scholarship.
Okay. So you gained government scholarship.
Yeah.
That brought you here, 2013.
Yeah.
Okay. So when you came to the Philippines, what was your first impression about the Philippines?
I don't think so. I don't really think so that I have an impression because, what will I say? When we landed Philippines, it was in the middle of the night. It's around, I think, around 12 a.m. I think so, if I'm not mistaken, 12 a.m. I think so. So we ride the bus to Patangas because it was already night. We didn't really have any view how Manila was. So there was no view. So I don't think I really have any impression. But as time goes on, I was trying to adjust. But the most of the difficult time was the food. Like, what will I say? Like, let's say like me, I'm kind of selective. I don't like eating food that I don't know, food that I don't have history. So that is what about me. Like eating Philippines food like adobo, chicken curry and the rest. It was really hard for me to adjust. So I don't think it was really hard for me to adjust then. So that is why. And most time we just have to manage. So that is it. Another thing again, when you arrive Philippines, you just sit. There is phone in the Philippines. So So most of my colleagues then was like, oh wow, there is fun in the Philippines. That means they.
Okay, so let's go. Okay, so how is life in the Philippines?
Life in Philippines, where? One thing about life is depends how you design it.
Okay.
So it depends how you design your life. So I can say that life in the Philippines for me is good, but it's good. Let me put it that way. For others, it can be hard, those kind of things. But mostly, you know that Philippines, there's no job, all those kind of things. So if you don't have a family help, so it will be very difficult for you to stay here. Or if you don't have any source of income, maybe if you don't have business in Nigeria, like person like me, at least I have little business in Nigeria that is assisting me all this here and there. So I can actually say that Philippines is okay. It's okay compared to other countries. Here, at least you can move around. Nobody will intimidate you. Nobody will question you. Where are you coming from? Where are you going? So that is it. Look, among the Asia, Philippines is nice. It's okay. They are accommodative. They accommodate foreigners.
Your acceleration should be
Okay.
shouldn't be jerking. Okay, so that means Philippines is good, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so how long have you been in the Philippines? You came 2013. Have you gone back home?
Yes, of course. Like
Okay.
I said before, I returned back home 2015.
Oh, okay.
2015. So I came back 2019.
Oh, okay, nice one.
Yeah.
So in total, how many years now?
Let me say 5 years.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And
I was here 3 years. I went back home. I came back 2019 till now. I think if we should bring it back, it should be 5 years.
oh, okay. So you have been in the Philippines now. What are your experience now? Because now you've been exploring, right? Comparing to 2013, you told me you don't go around and stuff, but this time around, I believe you go around.
Yeah.
Yeah. So what are your experience moving around? How is it like?
Moving around is how would I say? Philippines is safe. Yeah. Moving around is safe.
Okay.
Mostly, if you miss your way, you can ask any security guard, please, Kuya, I'm going to so place. They will direct you. So the people here, they're hospitable. They are hospitable. They are accommodative. They will give you direction no matter what. So that is why I said before that in all the Asia countries, Philippines is the best. Though I haven't been to other countries in Asia,
Okay.
but according to others and according to my research, Philippines is the best.
Okay. So education in the Philippines.
Wow.
How is it like?
Education compared to to where
compared to wherever you've been, where you grew up and stuff. How is it like?
Philippines education system is okay. It's nice. So it's not like Africa. Mostly, let me use Egypt for example.
Okay.
So courses, okay. Let me say, for instance, in Egypt, maybe you want to write exam, something like that. They will give you theoretical exam.
Okay.
But in Philippines, they will just give you objectives, something like that. So the education system is well organized, it's well okay. It's nice compared to other compared to African countries like Nigeria, Egypt. No, it's very stressful. But the Philippines is okay.
Okay.
It's
So
okay. The structure is okay.
so if you are to advise someone from back home, like from Nigeria, anywhere in the world, because this video is going out there, different nationalities are watching you back home everywhere.
Yeah.
So what kind of advice will you give to anybody who wants to come to the Philippines
It depends
learn?
what you are coming for.
Okay.
If you are coming to learn, I will advise you, fine, Philippines is okay. But if you have another expectation, that is where I would not advise you. For instance, some people will say that I'm going to Philippines, I want to go and work, I want to go and do this, do that. for my own view, for my own point of view,
Okay.
I will tell those people that are having this illusion that I want to come to Philippines to come and work. There's no job here.
Okay.
Yeah, for foreigner, there's no job here. You can even testify that there's no job. So it's better you know what you are coming for. If you are coming for school, fine. Take your education system serious. But if you are coming for job, you want to leave the shore of your country to come here to come and work, there's no job for you, there's no work.
Oh, okay.
Unless if you have source of income from home, fine. But if you don't have, I will advise you, stick to where you are.
Okay.
Because I will not tell you the lie. I will not lie to you. I will not try to say that. Try to cover some things that Philippines is good. They will give you job. If you come here, you will work. I will not say that. I will tell you the truth. There's no job here.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, thank you for this conversation. Yeah. So
You're welcome.
do you have any shout out to give to anybody out there?
What I can say is that for the viewers,
Yeah.
thank you very much. Even though if there are some mistakes or some errors you find based on the interview, just take it as a, how will I put it? Just take it as we are just exploring, try to know what is strong and what is good, something like that. So please don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Just click the button. Just click. Share to your families, your friends, anyone.
Yeah. So actually Julius also has a YouTube channel. Yeah, he's actually an upcoming YouTuber. Yeah, so I'm going to link his YouTube channel in the description box. Yeah, so let's support him. Let's subscribe to his channel. Let's like whatever he's doing. Yeah. So Julius,
Yeah.
what is your channel's name?
Alagba Julius, but I will try to make it a little bit more simple. But
Okay.
currently now it's Alagba Julius.
Okay, nice one. So anyway guys, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. My name is Prince again. Yeah, give some likes and some comments so that we can get it moving. Anyway, I would like to give some shout out to some friends out there. Yeah, I got some friends in Qatar, Hong Kong, Europe, America, Canada, all over the world. Yeah, and some friends in the Philippines. Yeah, some friends in the Philippines. Yeah, you know, I'm glad about you guys supporting me. Yeah, I'm very glad. I'm very, very glad. Okay, so we're going to continue our driving. Yeah, slow down. We are going to continue our driving, but as for the interview, I think we've brought everything to an end. Yeah, so peace out with the interview, but still the driving is going to go on. Yeah. Okay, so just remove your leg on the brake small, like how you've been doing all the time. Yeah, small. Small. Keep turning your hand. Then keep going. Slowly. Keep going. Keep going. Remove your leg. Yeah, remove your leg. Go. Keep turning your hand. It's okay, straight. Take this lane. It's okay. Let's go.
Oh, this-
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Take this lane.
Let's take Mike home. Mike, you want to follow us to